This call is now being recorded.
Sir, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Class, what we have discussed actually, three that minus 1 1 1 0 0 1 problem complete the Lagrange's multipliers. 2 into x power 4 minus y power 4 minus x cube plus y cube. Some problem is there, 2x square, I think so. Problem complete or not that problem? Find the maximum, minimum, 9 points we got. Complete or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So that problem completed because I am taking 3 first year classes. So where I am taking also I am forgetting. For mechanical B, mechanical C, computer science B1. So what I am taking, where I am taking, I don't know. Just if you tell only where I can stop, I can start actually. So that problem completed. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So minus 1 comma 0. So maximum is plus 1, minimum is minus 1. We got, I think so. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
The double points only stayed, I think so. 1 comma 1 minus 1 comma 1 minus 1 1 only remaining are saddle points we got, I think so. Next, similarly, we can do some few important problems. 2 3 problems are there. Then if you complete it with this Lagrange is over, then we go over the next topic. Take. Okay. Take. Find the volume of largest rectangular solid. Find the volume of largest rectangular solid which can be
Sir, board is not clear, sir.
So we can't see the board, so it's very blurred.
Very blurry. Yes, sir. It is.
Yes, sir.
my board.
Yes, sir.
Actually, I'm using another mobile. Just take an adjust. Otherwise, I will be find the volume of largest rectangular solid which can be inscribed in the ellipsoid. In the ellipsoid. Sir, very good question, sir. Find the volume of the largest rectangular solid which can be inscribed in the ellipsoid x square by a square plus y square by b square plus z square by c square is equal to 1. Now here who is the function? Who is the condition? Tell me.
Sir, your video is still not clear.
Sir, please can you repeat the question?
Board is clear only, yeah.
No, sir.
No, sir, we can't.
No,
see,
sir. Very blur, sir.
Sir, your internet connection might be slow, sir. That's why it's blurred for us.
Okay. See, find the volume of largest rectangular solid which can be inscribed in the ellipsoid x square by a square plus y square by b square plus z square by c square is equal to 1. Clear? Find the volume of largest rectangular solid which can be inscribed in the ellipsoid x square by a square plus y square by b square plus z square by c square is equal to 1. Now, who is the function? Who is the condition? Tell me.
So volume is the function and the equation of the ellipsoid is the condition.
Who is the function now? What is the function? Now it's okay, board, you see. Backside lights are off actually.
No, sir, it's still blur, sir.
Sir, Rahul wants attendance.
Wait, for me, my laptop is clear. Now it's okay.
No, sir.
No,
Sir,
sir.
it's still the same, sir.
Sir, I think it's your network issue, sir.
Actually, my iPhone is got problem. Okay, just adjust today. You see. Okay. Now who is the function? Tell me. How you will do? Solid volume of the rectangular solid. So means what? Parallelepiped rectangular solid. What is the volume of rectangular solid? What is the volume of rectangular solid, sir?
So x square plus y square plus z square.
Box, what you will get? Parallelepiped box means what you will get? What is the volume of parallelepiped rectangular box? Solid means what you will get? What is the volume?
Length into breadth into height.
Huh?
Length into width into height.
Here you can take 3 axes actually. X, Y, Z can you say?
Yes, sir.
But you cannot take here X, Y, Z. Very dangerous problem. Why means what? It's inscribed in ellipse. Normally, ellipse how you will get actually? Tell me. Can you image ellipse? How it will write actually ellipse shape? Tell me. Is it already? You studied in your +2 level. Ellipse is running from major axis, running from where to where? Tell me. What is the length of major axis?
Sir, 2A.
2.
Very good. Minor axis?
2B.
2B. So origin should be center actually. Suppose if you take a origin is center actually. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Suppose if you take a solid ellipsoid like a egg actually, that should be, you can keep inside the box. Inside the ellipsoid, you can keep the box. That volume should be maximum is telling. Correct or not? A rectangular solid inscribed largest volume of rectangular solid is inscribed in a ellipsoid x square by a square plus y square by b square. Suppose if you inside small boxes actually like this. Suppose finally what you will get, largest volume will get the rectangular solid is telling. Maximum volume should be aqueous. Now sides, can you tell what are the sides? Now just you said x, y, z previously. Now you can think and tell what is the length, what is the breadth and what is the height. I am keeping the box inside the ellipsoid. So that should be largest volume I want to keep. So what is that volume is asking? That inside the ellipsoid, what box if I keep, that volume should be large is asking. Clear? Now tell me, now length, tell me what is the length? X, Y, Z, any changes will come. Here 3 dimension actually. You make it ellipsoid like this. Suppose if you take means what here x axis, here y axis, z axis means what will you tell me? What is the length? You only said actually ellipse means if you see 2-dimensional figure, what is the length actually? Minus a2 plus a. So is what length of major axis 2a you said or not? So like this length what you will get?
2a.
2x.
2x.
One, that is breadth.
But 2y.
2y. That is the length, breadth, width means what actually? Height means what you will get? Height is what?
2z.
2z. So it's very, very important how we are choosing the coordinates. Suppose if you take x, y, z means what, whole thing will collapse. Answer you will get somehow you will proper and you solve the problem. But finally you cannot get the proper. This is not a proper. You don't know the image and what you have done problem is you don't understand actually. Correct? Suppose if you keep the ellipsoid in inside ellipsoid, if you miss what, that should be, you can take 2x, 2y, 2z. Clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Now volume is what, tell me?
8xyz.
8xyz.
Now you can let the sides, you can choose what, let sides are what? 2x, 2y, 2z. This is the life of the problem. This is the life of the problem. How we are choosing the sides are is very, very important. Problem you can read properly, then you can attack. Clear or not?
Yes.
Now volume is what? Not this volume. This is the f actually. Function to find volume. F. F is equal to what now? Tell me. 2x, 2y, 2z. That is equal to what? This is the very, very important concept. F of x, y, z equal to what? 8x, y, z. Any problem, sir?
No, sir.
Now G is what? G given condition should be what? That should be inscribed in what? Ellipsoid. That ellipsoid shape, it won't change. That is the condition actually. If you insert the biggest boxes means what? Finally you will get the largest volume of rectangular inside the ellipsoid. Now G is what? Tell me.
X square by a square plus z square by b square plus z square by c square minus 1.
Now everything available or not? Now we can write auxiliary equation capital F is equal to F plus lambda G. Do first. Copied up to here, share above.
Yes, sir.
Now you start to yourself, don't wait for me. Now answer the equation. What Aditya Singh? Mute your mic. Now multipliers already I know famous. So dou f by dou x is equal to 0, dou f by dou y is equal to 0, dou f by dou z is equal to 0. So tell me what is dou f by dou x? Tell me.
8yz plus 2x by a square.
8,
8yz plus 2x by a square.
8xyz plus
2x by a square.
enough. Clear? Correct? Is it correct?
Plus 2x
8yz
by a
plus
square
2x
plus 1
lambda
by
by
a square by b square plus z square by c square.
Hey, come again.
So
2x by a square is correct, no doubt. But anything is there with that fellow?
so 2x lambda by a square.
How can you forget lambda? Dou f by dou y is equal to 0 means what you will get? If you want, you can write this one line also. What will you get? What is the answer, sir? People are not speaking. Why I don't know.
x equals to be minus 8yz a square divided by 2 lambda.
No. I am telling you, dou f by dou y is equal to what?
So 8xz plus 2y by 2y lambda by v square.
Plus lambda into
2y by v square.
now what will you tell me? What is the answer?
8xy plus 2z lambda by c square equals 0.
Speak out, sir. Only one by only speaking. I don't know what happened. I'm very thinking. So last condition, what is it actually? Dou f by dou lambda. That is nothing but what? Condition only. X square by a square plus y square by b square plus z square by c square is equal to 1. Now clear? Now what you will do? First equation multiply by x. What will you tell me? First equation multiply by x plus second equation multiply by y, third equation multiply by z. What will you tell me? 8xyz, 8xyz, 8xyz. How much you will get? This you can multiply by x, this you can multiply by y, this you can multiply by z actually. Cyclically it's missing one variable. So what will you get?
Twenty-four XYZ plus 2x square lambda by a square plus
24xyz plus
2x square lambda by a square
2 lambdas you can take outside, x square by a square plus y square by b square plus z square by c square. Are you agree?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt? Now from this what is, but this is what? X square by a square plus y square by b square plus z square by c square is equal to what?
1.
1. Are you agree?
Yes, sir.
So lambda is equal to minus 12xyz. Now come back and substitute lambda values in at 1, 2, 3 nicely. We'll get what is x, what is y, what is z. Share above here. Share above this.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now actually first equation is what, sir? X it won't come, I think so. 8yz plus 2 lambda x by
A square.
a square. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Now substituted lambda value 8yz is equal to what? Minus 2 lambda by x by a square. Correct? Who is lambda actually? Are you agree?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
X is equal to a by root 3. Similarly, y what you will get? Can you expect from 2?
Root of b square by 3.
Huh?
Root of b square by 3.
B square or b by root 3? Yeah? Y is equal to what? B square by root 3 or b by root 3?
b by root 3.
Similarly, Z.
C by root 3.
Now, what is the maximum volume? 8xyz. Substitute it. So, maximum volume of rectangular solid can be inscribed with what? 8 ABCB 2 root 3 root 3. Clear? It's very, very, very important question. Copy down. Sir, copied, clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now take another question. Copied this all of you. This take this question. A thin closed rectangular box. A thin closed rectangular box is to have one edge equal to twice the other.
Sir, once again repeat it, sir.
A thin closed rectangular box is to have one edge equal to twice the other. And constant volume 72 meter cube. Constant volume 72 meter cube. Find the least surface area of the box. Now come on. Again, I'm reading check. A thin closed rectangular box is to have one edge equal to the twice the other and the constant volume 72 meter cube. Find the least surface of the area of the box. Now, what is the function? What is the condition? What is the function? What function you have to find maximum, minimum? For what value maximum? What value address? What least surface means minimum. So, what is the F? What is the G? Tell me. Reach number 80 is there. 80. 71. Reach
Yes,
number
sir.
71. What is the minimum value? Tell me. What is the function? Tell me. What is the function? What is the condition? 72. 72 is there. 73. 74. 75. 76. 77. 78. 79. 80. 80, are you there?
Sir, 72 present, sir.
What are you doing?
Sir, sorry, sir.
Now tell me, now what is the function? What value? Minimum value is what? 80. At least you can respond actually.
That's one, sir.
No, I am not taking answer whether you are there saying that or not. 80. You understand this question or not? One side is the twice of the other. Volume is what? 72. So given condition is what? No idea. Then 81 not there. 82.
Y is equal to 72.
Volume V is equal to volume. But condition is what?
X equal to 2y.
One side is X means another side is what?
2x.
2x. Now length breadth something over. Next is what? Y you can take. Volume is equal to what? 2x into x into y. So what will you get?
2x square y equals 72.
2x square y is equal to 72. Then x square y is equal to what? 36 is given condition. Now least surface area. Surface area should be least is asking. Such a way this volume should maintain. You can try to get the least surface area. Whatever may be least surface area you can find out that should be least. But volume should not be changes. Condition, this condition you can follow. Now surface area what you will get? Suppose XYZ is a solid. Means what? Length, breadth, width, height. Then what is the surface area what you will get?
2 into xy plus yz plus zx.
2xy, 2yz, 2zx you will get or not? Here what is the surface area? See, length you know, breadth you know, height you know. So using this 2x, x, y. Now we can find out. What is the surface area? 2 into 2x into x plus
4x square plus 6xy.
then 2 into what you will get? 2xy plus 2 into xy. Correct or not?
Yeah, yes, sir.
2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Otherwise, that is 2x into x length. Reaching or not? Now we can prepare function. What is the function? Least surface area is what? Like right now start. All right. Let x be the one side. Let x be one side. Then implies another side is what? X. Now volume is equal to what? 2x into x into y. Then the other side you can take x, y, z is equal to what? 72. So the given condition. Now surface area is what, tell me?
Four x square plus 6xy.
So this I want to, least I want to. So S is equal to what you will get actually. Which function is taken we want to see, otherwise answer will differ. So this should be minimum. Clear? This should be minimum. Any problem?
No, sir.
Okay. Now right, who is F now from this? What you understand? I want to find the least surface area. So surface area is minimum. So F is equal to what? Tell me. 4x square plus 4xy plus 2xy. Are you agree, sir?
Yes, sir.
Any problem? Now who is the G?
X square y minus 36.
Very good. Now auxiliary equation is what? Talk it down fast. Now what you will do? Capital dou f by dou x equal to 0, dou f by dou y equal to 0, dou f by dou z equal to 0. Then dou f by dou lambda is equal to 0. That is nothing but condition. Sir, clear or not? Up to where I come 80, yeah. 72, 79 died actually. Nobody is there, I think so. They are on the computer, they left. 80 responded. Then 81 is there. 82, 83, 84, 85, 86 not there. 87, 88, 89, 90.
Yes, sir.
What is your number?
89, sir.
89. What have you right now? For condition is what? Tell me.
So I'm doing it.
What?
So I'm writing it. I'm back.
Tell me, you tell me, you can speak out. What you will get? Dou f by dou x equal to 0, dou f by dou y equal to 0, dou f by dou z equal to 0. Correct? Clear or not?
Clear, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, simply I am only shouting this, sir. You have to respond. Now tell me, what is dou f by dou x?
Sir, video is not at all clear.
What?
The
Today
video
I
is
can-
not at all clear.
Because
I can't
that's
see anything.
Today I can register. That already they have the problem. Tell me dou f by dou x. F is equal to capital F is equal to 4x square plus 4xy plus 2xy plus lambda into x square minus 36. Now from there you can see, from notes you can tell. You have question with you. Capital F you prepared. Capital F again I am telling you if you want. 4x square plus 4xy plus 2xy plus lambda into x square minus 36. What is dou f by dou x? Tell me.
So 8x plus 6y plus 2xy lambda is equal to 0.
Yeah. Okay.
Sir, 4xy plus 2xy, can we combine it as 6xy?
Oh, acha. Correct. Yes, that also can do. Clear. Now tell me. What is dou f by dou x is equal to 0? What will you get?
8x plus 6x plus 2xy lambda.
2xy lambda. Very good. Tell me again.
8x plus 6y plus 2xy lambda.
8x plus 6y plus
2xy lambda
2 lambda xy. Okay.
is equal to 0.
Is equal to 0. Similarly, dou f by dou y is equal to 0. What will you get?
6x
6x
plus
plus
lambda
2 lambda x square equals to 0.
6x
Plus 2 lambda x square.
only lambda x square, sir.
2.
Yes.
Next. Dou f by dou z. So there is no z actually, two functions only here. Because only two variables, you know. Clear or not? We have only
The
two
second
variables.
equation should be 6x plus lambda x square, not 2 lambda x.
Yes, sir.
6.
Say it should be 6x plus lambda x square.
Acha. Thank you. Now from this you can try to find out what you will do. Tell me. I think focusing the face. Now tell me what is x and y values. Dou f by dou z also 0 actually. It's not required. If you want, you can do. How you will do, sir? First equation, if you want, you can multiply with x also. From second equation, what you will get? 6x plus lambda x square is equal to 0. From this, what you at least x value I will get or not?
Sir, x is minus 6 by lambda and y is
X is
minus
4 by lambda.
What? X is
minus 6 by lambda.
X is minus 6 by lambda means you can substitute your y value will get. What is the y value?
Minus 8
4 by
by
lambda.
Minus?
8 by lambda.
No. Y is equal to lambda square.
Sir, 4 by lambda. Why?
No, no. See, x is equal to what? Tell me. Minus 6 by lambda 1. You can substitute in condition what you will get? 36 lambda square y by correct. 36 lambda square y is equal to 36. Correct? So y is equal to what? Wait. Something problem. X is equal to what, sir? 6 by lambda. Sorry. Substitute in condition, what you will get? 36 by lambda square into y is equal to 36. So y is equal to what? Lambda square.
Yes, sir.
Then go back and substitute it. Where you will substitute this condition? First condition you can substitute 8x plus 6y. We are not using, no. There you can substitute what you will get is C. First condition we are not replaced actually. 8x plus 6y plus 2 lambda xy. If you use means what that you will get lambda is equal to minus 2 you will get. Substituting in first equation, x is equal to minus 6 by lambda, y is equal to lambda square here. What will we get actually? Lambda cube is equal to minus 8, you will get lambda is equal to minus 2. Now lambda is equal to minus 2 means what you will get, tell me? Go back and substitute. What is x value? Minus 6 by lambda. So x is equal to what?
3, sir.
So y is equal to
4.
now surface area is what? Always surface area we got what? 4x square plus 6xy. Yeah? Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes. What is surface area?
4x square plus 6xy.
So least surface area is 108. Copy it down fast.
Done, sir.
Clear, sir? Now take another question. It's also very good problem. These three problems are very good problems. Repeatedly they will ask. Take a rectangular box, open at the top, is to
Just
have
a
a
second,
volume
sir.
of, yes?
So can you repeat, sir?
Wait, this student, outside students are. Not tell, take a rectangular box, open at the top, is to have a volume of 32 cc, cubic centimeters. Find the dimensions of the box that requires least material to construction. So least material to construction means what? You can take surface area only.
Minimum surface area.
See, a rectangular box, open at the top, is to have a volume of 32 cc.
Sir, 32 or 22, sir?
32, 32.
Okay, sir.
Find the dimension of the box that requires least material of construction, its construction. So material should be least. I want to get 32 cc. It should be maintained. So automatically cost will be reduced. If you construct a water tank like this means what? So that time you can see tank cost should be less means what? Surface area should be how did you reduce it will be less. So volume should maintain 32 cc. Now in this problem, what is the important? A rectangular box open at the top. Open at the top is surface area how you will take, tell me. You are telling 2xy, 2yz, 2zx. Can you take here one side is 2xy? See, this is open actually. So, for covering this area not required. This is how much area, same area you will get. This is how much area, same area you will get. This front area, back side area, same. So, what is the surface area now? Tell me.
2xy plus 2yz plus zx.
Okay. Otherwise, xy also you can start. Okay, come on, tell me now. If xy z is what? So volume is equal to what? XYZ is equal to 32. This is given condition. Now function is what? One top is open. So how can you write XY? Are you clear, sir?
Yes, sir.
Now do auxiliary equation, you can find out what is auxiliary equation. xy plus 2yz plus 2zx plus lambda into xyz minus 32. This is the auxiliary equation. Now find the multipliers. Dou f by dou x equal to 0, dou f by dou y equal to 0, dou f by dou z equal to 0. Dou f by dou x equal to 0 means you can write dou f by dou x plus lambda into dou z minus. Then you can differentiate. So dou f by dou x, what will get? Tell me.
Y plus 2z plus lambda.
Y plus
2z
2z plus lambda into
yz.
yz. Then dou f by dou y.
X plus 2z plus lambda xz.
X plus
2z plus lambda xz.
x plus 2z done
Yes, sir.
plus lambda into what will get?
xz.
Then dou f by dou z.
2y plus 2x plus lambda xz.
Dou f by dou z in 2 into you will get. Correct?
Yes.
2y plus
2x
2x plus lambda into what will get?
xy.
xy. Then 1 multiplied by x, 2 multiplied by y, and then subtract, lambda will cancel. Clear or not? What will you tell me? One multiply by x, xy plus 2xz, correct? Huh? 2 multiply by y, lambda xyz will cancel, subtract means minus, what will get? Minus xy minus 2yz is equal to 0. Clear? Sir, any problem?
No, sir.
1 multiply by x, 2 multiply by y, subtract, lambda xyz cancel. So xy plus 2yz minus xy minus 2yz. So minus xy also cancel, plus xy. From this I can cancel 2z, can I take? 2z if I take, what will get? X minus y. Any problem?
No, sir.
2z into x minus y means what? Z cannot be 0. If z is equal to 0 means what? There is no box actually. You will get plain figure. So 2 also cannot be 0. Which is 0? X minus y is equal to 0. Means what? X is equal to y. Clear?
Yes.
Now similarly you can do second equation multiplied by y, third equation multiplied by z, subtract. What you will get? Tell me. So very, very important problem, sir. Second equation multiplied by y. Third equation multiplied by z. So what you will get? Xy plus 2yz minus 2yz minus 2xz. Clear? Sir, any problem?
No, sir.
What I'm doing correct or not? Next. From this, what you will take? X you can take common. Now x is equal to y is equal to what? 2z. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now x is equal to y is equal to 2z. Now how we will find x, y, z values? Volume is what? Volume is what?
32.
32. Then any one value can change, either x in terms of x or in terms of y in terms of z. In terms of x means what? X into y, but z how you will write?
X
Z
by
value. Huh?
X by 2.
That is very, very important. Otherwise, if we change everything, z means what? Z you can keep as it is. X also 2 z you can write, y also 2 z you can write. So carefully you can write. Once if you get the idea, no problem. So if I write everything in x means what? X place is x, y also x, then z is what? X by 2. Now this is what? X cube is equal to 64. Now x is equal to what? 4. X is equal to 4 means y is what, sir?
4.
Z?
8.
8. Okay.
Sorry, 2.
Now, my least surface area, how I taken actually? Xy into plus 2yz plus 2zx I taken, correct?
Yes, sir.
That initially how we are taking the same thing you can write, that you don't change. To where you are not good, there only can write final answer also. So, so everywhere 16, 16, 16. 3 16 how much? Clear, sir? Any doubt?
No, sir.
These all are very, very important problems. Next one problem is there. Take. Show that the rectangular solid of a maximum volume, show that the rectangular solid of a maximum volume that can be inscribed in a sphere is a cube. So if you inscribed in a sphere, little boxes means what? Maximum volume where you will get for cuboid only you will get. So initially you can take length x, breadth y, z. Finally you can prove that x is equal to y is equal to z means it proved this is a cube we can write. Both are same. Okay. Now what is telling? Show that the rectangular solid. First initially don't take as a cube actually. Separately can take x, y, z. We don't know what is the length and breadth and after the finding the problem completely you can conclusion you can come. Inscribed a sphere is a cube. Clear? Again I'm reading, copy down. Show that the rectangular solid of maximum volume that can be inscribed in a sphere is a cube. Clear? Now here sides how you will take same story. Ellipsoid side how you have taken. Sphere also what you will take. So in between I am inscribing. So this you can take x and y z. So volume of a solid what you will get take. Length, breadth, h. For sides how you will take. Let sides of a solid is what? Clear? Any doubts, sir? Clear or not?
Yes.
So previously ellipsoid how we are explained same thing actually. Radius is r means what? Diameter is 2r. Center should be in between the origin. Correct? Huh? Now volume is what? So volume is maximum. I want to prove that. Now condition is what? G is what? Or minus a square. Same problem actually. You got x squared by a square plus y squared by b square plus z squared by c square is equal to 1 means what is the answer x? What you got? Tell me. What is x, y, z?
Sir, can you please repeat, sir?
First problem what you have done actually. Inscribed a ellipsoid is what? Rectangular cube volume is a maximum. I said what value of x, y, z I got? X is equal to what?
A by
X
root.
value. A by root 3. Here what you can you expect what are the values you will get? Y value what you will get actually? Y also a by root 3 will get. Z also a by root 3 will get. Then only is called that solid become what? Cube. All three sides are equal. Any problem or not?
No, sir.
Same answer only. A is equal to B is equal to C means what? That ellipsoid become what is sphere actually x square plus y square plus b square is equal to a square you will get. Clear or not? There what different major axis, minor axis, different means different shapes I am getting. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes or no, sir? Clear or not?
Yes.
Now you can do the same story. Now here, who is the F actually? Start to, don't wait for me. You can do yourself. Same previous problem only. Get small f is equal to what? 8xyz. G is equal to what? Any doubt? Now auxiliary equation is what? Now dou f by dou x equal to 0 means what you will get? Dou f by dou x equal to what?
8yz plus 2x lambda.
8yz plus this is equation 1. Then dou f by dou y
8xz plus 2y lambda.
Dou it by dou z. Then you can do first multiply by x plus second equation multiply by y plus third equation multiply by z. What you will get? Tell me. What you will get? Eight xyz plus 8xyz plus 8xyz into 2 lambda into x square plus a square plus y square. Clear? Sir?
Yes, sir.
Clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now this x square plus y square plus z square is equal to what? Condition from condition.
A square.
Then lambda is equal to what? Substitute it anywhere actually. I think how you have done same thing we done, you know. No need to add, I think so. There itself you can equate. Sir, substitute any one equation, sir. First equation, what we got first equation, what you are getting, tell me, substituting. Lambda value, if you substitute, what you will get? Eight yz, 2x into lambda, if you substituted, what you will get? Then yz you will get, then from similarly what you will get? 2 lambda x square is equal to, substituting in 1, 2, 3, this lambda value, 2x square is equal to 2y square is equal to 2z square you will get. Then x is equal to y is equal to z. Clear? Similarly, same thing what we done previous, probably can go back and substitute x is equal to y is equal to z, you will get. Once if you get x is equal to y is equal to z means what? Condition is what? Hence, given solid is what? Cuboid. Volume of cuboid is what? A cube by 3 root 3. Correct or not? Any doubt?
No, sir.
So, given solid is x is equal to y is equal to z. There what you will get 8abc by 2 root 3 you got. 3 root 3, sorry. Are clear? Any problem?
No, sir.
Now take another question. Take another question. This problem you can try. The temperature T at any point XYZ in space the temperature T at any point XY in space XYZ T is equal to KXYZ square, where K is the constant. Find the highest temperature on the surface of the sphere. Find the highest temperature on the surface of the sphere. X square plus y square plus z square is equal to a square. Again, I am reading the problem. Check. The temperature T at any point XYZ in space is T is equal to KXYZ square, where K is a constant. Find the highest temperature on the surface of the sphere. X square plus y square plus z square is equal to a square. Now, who is the function? Who is the condition?
Sir, once again repeat, sir.
The temperature T at any point of XYZ in space T is equal to KXYZ square, where K is a constant. Find the highest temperature on the surface of the sphere. X square plus y square plus z square equal to a square. Find the, what is asking? Find the highest temperature. So T is the function actually. This is what T of XYZ. Now condition is what? Sphere.
Sir, Rahul is asking for attendance, sir.
Yes, sir.
What? Yes?
Sir, Rahul is asking for attendance, sir.
No, sir, I did not ask. They want attendance. They are saying my name, sir.
Okay, no problem, no problem. No problem.
They
No
want
problem.
to disturb the class, sir. So they are.
Okay, okay. Okay. Clear? Now T is equal to what? Sir, who wants, they can ask. You should not mention the other name, sir. If you want, you can ask. Give your name, I will take care of you. The throughout the semester, I will put the absent. You should not mention the other's name. If you mention other name also, I will put the absent. 1 minute, I will clear. Wait, complete. Now clear or not? Now f of xyz is equal to, tell me, kxyz square. G is what? What is G?
X square plus y square plus z square minus a square.
A square. Now, if you want, I will give the answer. Just try to do. Now, maybe you will get the answer. Same story. A by 2, A by x is equal to y is equal to z. You will get A by 2, A by 2, A by 2. I think so. But not. No, x is equal to y is equal to z is equal to a only you will get. Okay, do this problem at home. Now give the attendance. When I am called, you can give, sir. If you don't give me, sir, put the option. 571, 70 or 71 is starting number.
71, sir. Present.
When I am calling last class, you didn't the answer. Oh, 71 answered. 72.
Present, sir.
I called you, sir, 10 times in between class. You are not responded.
Sir, I responded, sir. Now also, today also I did, sir.
Really?
Yes, sir. Promise, sir.
Okay, promise then. 73.
Present, sir.
74.
Present, sir.
70 to 79, no response. I called actually. What is the answer? What is the answer? 75.
Present, sir.
76. I will take in between class read after. 77. 78. 79. 79. Don't put the chat box, sir. I am somewhere, my laptop somewhere, my camera is somewhere.
So,
Should the answer.
is present. Yes, put in chat box.
Suppose anyone see the chat box, please inform me. 78 chat box, sir. 79. 80.
Present, sir.
81. 81 not there. 82.
Present, sir.
83.
Present, sir.
84. 85.
Present, sir.
86. 87. 88.
Present, sir.
89.
Present, sir.
90.
Present, sir.
91.
91 present, sir.
92. 90. 90. 92. 93. 94.
Present, sir.
Don't put in chat box, sir. Again and again telling. 95.
95 present, sir.
96.
Present, sir.
97.
Present, sir.
98.
Present, sir.
9.
Present, sir.
100. 100 not coming regularly. 101.
Present, sir.
102.
Present.
103.
Present, sir.
104.
Present, sir.
105. 106.
Sir. Present, sir. 106.
Sir, 77
is present.
Wait, I will come. Wait, sir. 106.
Present, sir. Present.
107.
Present, sir.
108.
Present, sir.
109.
Present, sir.
Plus 110.
Present, sir.
111.
Present, sir.
112.
Sir, he is having some connection issues. He is present.
Okay. Present or not? Present.
Present, present.
113.
112 present, sir. Hello.
Okay. 113. 114.
Present, sir.
115.
Present, sir.
116. After 116, I think, sir, 123.
Present, sir.
124.
Present, sir.
125.
Present, sir.
126.
Present, sir.
126 are I think last number. Yeah. Then 5401 is 1,
Present, sir.
2,
Present, sir.
3,
Present, sir.
4,
Present, sir.
5,
Present, sir.
6, 6. Present, 7, 8,
Present, sir.
9,
Present, sir.
10,
Present, sir.
11,
Present, sir.
12,
Present, sir.
13,
Present, sir.
14,
Sir, 06 present, sir.
15,
Present, sir.
16,
Present, sir.
17,
Present, sir.
18,
Present, sir.
19,
Present, sir.
20,
Sir, sir,
20.
present, sir.
Wait, sir, wait, sir.
Net connection, sir.
Doesn't only given. 20, 21, 22,
20 is there, sir.
21, not there. 22, 23,
Present, sir. Present, sir.
24, 25,
Present, sir.
26,
25 present, sir.
27, 27,
Present, sir.
28, 29,
Present, sir.
30,
Present, sir.
31, 31, last number I think so, 31. Those, what are the chat box numbers, tell me?
Sir, 06
Sir,
present,
105 present, sir.
Huh?
Sir, 06
Sir,
present, sir.
105 present.
105?
Yes, sir.
Next chat
Sir.
box numbers, tell me one by one.
Sir, 06 present, sir.
06, present only given.
Okay, sir.
Sir, 92
90.
Two, sir.
What are you doing when I'm calling?
Sir, I have network issues, sir.
Next.
Sir, chat box numbers are 77, 113, and 116.
This is slowly read. 77.
113,
116.
116. Sir,
116,
7 left the school. I mean, college.
Okay. Then anybody is there?
No, sir.
Now, options are 76, 79, 81, 84, 86, 87, 90, 93, 100. 7, okay, not 21 also not there. 22, 27.
22 present, sir.
What are you doing, sir? Very bad, sir. Then,
Sir, 90 present, sir.
90. What number, sir?
Present, sir.
Which
90,
number?
90.
90, I don't tell anything. No, it's there.
Sir, I have said your
Okay. Next. Any numbers are there? Okay, sir, you can leave. I will check the chat box and I will give. 130, 160. Now only join 126. Okay, can leave, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, bye. Bye.
Bye, sir.